Hi guys, my name is Surendra and I'm an Indian based in Mongolia. I have been here for almost 2 decades now, and I wanted to shoot this video for a long time now, but somehow I couldn't do it, so I'm doing it now. इसके पीछे तीन कारण हैं एक्चुअली फॉर मेकिंग दिस वीडियो. सबसे पहला कारण मेरा अपना कारण है कि मैं खुद पेप टॉक इंडिया को थैंक यू बोलना चाह रहा था. आई वांटेड टू गिव बैक and this is the least I can do, that to say thank you through this video to the entire team of Pep Talk India, because they have made a huge contribution in sharpening my public speaking skills. And secondary was to help you guys. Yes, you heard it right. To help you guys, those who are searching for the best academy or institutions or a system or a mentor for improving your public speaking and language skills. And third was to to send a message, motivational message to the entire team of Pep Talk India. क्योंकि आप जानते हैं पैसा is not everything. There are various ways to earn money, but as someone who is in business, like I have been in business for almost 10 years now, and I know that money is just one of the things that motivate a person to outperform market. But beyond money or beyond the volume of business, there is something more, which is the recognition by its clients or the words of appreciation. तो ये मैसेज मैं पेप टॉक इंडिया के एंटायर टीम के लिए भी देना चाहता था कि यू गाइज आर डूइंग अ ग्रेट मार्वलस जॉब. सो टू स्टार्ट विद, आई वाज इन इंडिया in 2017. Although I have been here since 2002 in Mongolia, but owing to my new business in India, I shifted there for some time, and to 2017 I was there. And I realized that I need to sharpen my public speaking skills. And after a lot of search on internet, I found Pep Talk India, and it was a totally new journey for me, because Pep Talk India, what I learned is actually, guys, not a place where you go only to learn things, but you also go to unlearn the things that were not exactly true, but somehow you made them part of your knowledge, and you started believing in them. For example, self-doubt. For example, self-limiting thoughts. For example, fear of people judgments, fear of public speaking, and all those things. I'm sure you all know about it. That these are some of the names that I mentioned. These are some of the weaknesses of our perception system, of our perception, process, that limit us from utilizing our full potential. So I'm sure that you are at some stage, similar to my situation, which I was into in 2017. क्योंकि आज के टाइम में इतनी सारी इंफॉर्मेशंस हैं, इतने सारे इंस्टीट्यूशंस हैं, then it's really difficult to really make sure कि the institute or the organization that you are going to enroll into is the best place for your requirement. And guys, believe me, I'm recording this video from Mongolia, which is almost 6 or 7,000 kilometers away from India. And with God's grace, I'm financially okay, so I don't need any endorsement for this, for any monetary benefit for this endorsement. I'm doing this from my heart, from the core of my heart, because I'm doing this with a thought in my mind, with a thought of helping you and sending across my motivational message to the entire team of Pep Talk India. So the thing is that I would like to kind of share with you कि मेरा जो एक्सपीरियंस पेप टॉक इंडिया के साथ था, इट वाज अ ट्रांसफॉर्मेशनल एंड I can also understand. I will share a small story. My wife actually was also there with me, and she was also trying to upgrade her language skills, English language skills, in fact, because she's Mongolian, so she had some language problems, and she ended up enrolling into a very reputed English language school, which is run by one of the prominent English newspapers in India. I would not like to name anyone. And you won't believe that she repented after enrolling and after seeing the results that I started getting from my training at Pep Talk India. Because she thought that Pep Talk India is only there for public speaking skills. But when I told her that it's not only that we cover public speaking part, but it's a comprehensive training program. So I had this big example in front of me that when you end up choosing a good school or a right institution, then your chances of achieving your dreams, become higher. But at the same if you go by the same card, if you end up choosing the wrong institution, then you really feel bad for the time that you invested and for the money and for a lot of other things. So with this video, my last message to all of you is that if you really want to improve and really want to sharpen and master your public speaking skills and your language skills, of course, I will open-heartedly recommend Pep Talk India, and I would request you to stop your search for institutions and visit your nearby Pep Talk India center, and I'm sure you will not regret for the decision that you will make by choosing Pep Talk India for your career progress. And I would also like to request you that after completing your program, please make a video similar to this one and help people, those who are struggling to locate a best institute or a good institute for their career growth in public speaking. Thank you very much, and once again, thank you very much Pep Talk India team. Thank you very much Rocky sir. Very good luck to all of you. Thank you. Namaskar.